Hey, what's up? 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 What's up again, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I got another app, that I want to share to you guys and stuff, where you can earn passively, income, just by sharing your internet and stuff. So as you can scroll down here. So they say passive income effortlessly. With honey gain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. As you can scroll down here, easy way to earn passive income. And without compromising security, know what your internet is used for, and then you can estimate your earnings, guys. That's one thing I like about this app. So sharing like 8 gig, you can earn about right about $73 per month. Then like 11 gig, 114, 127, 17, 154. And then max like 20 gig, you can earn about $181, guys. So, and then daily content delivery, based on your hours and stuff, you know. So 16 hours, 20 hours, 24 hours, 184. So yeah, guys, this is the app. So if you want to download it here, you can click on here. So it's available both iOS and Android and stuff. So I will leave a link on the description, to get $5 a welcome bonus and stuff. So if you wanna download it, you can click on here. Okay, guys. So now I'm on the app. Now I'm on the dashboard here. As you can see, my current balance is 0.09 and stuff. You know. So you see, you need to reach $20 to request a payout and stuff. So if you reach $20 and stuff, so yeah. So this is my dashboard, like my dashboard, guys. Let's see a pool. So I'm using a pool here. So I think I'm gonna switch it out to Android, guys. I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, guys, I'll leave a link on the description. Make sure you check this app out, guys. This is a way to earn money, like passively.